Good morning, popping fans. This is Watson, your resident tonsil stone expert, and today we're going to take a look at Reddit's top tonsil stone popping clips. Let's kick it off with this impressive removal. Before we really get going, can you identify what's going on in this image? Stick around, we'll have the answer to that in a moment. Oh, and here's a sample of Reddit's top tonsil stone popping video from this month. Impressive, right? So what are tonsil stones? Well, your tonsils are made up of crevices, tunnels, and pits called tonsil crypts. Different types of debris, such as dead cells, mucus, saliva, and food, can get trapped in these pockets and build up. Bacteria feed on this buildup and cause a distinct odor as a byproduct. Over time, the debris hardens into a tonsil stone. Some people may only have one tonsil stone, while others have many smaller formations. They're best removed with a tonsil stone removal tool like this. We'll put a link to the best one on Amazon in the description below. So what was that original image? If you guessed the effects of a tonsillectomy, then you're right. This person had their tonsils removed after constant infections and stones. The white patches are essentially scabs. So there you go. Hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you can check out all of our videos. And let me show you a little bit more about my favorite tonsil stone removal kit. It's much higher quality than the cheap knockoffs out there. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to pick up a lighted medical pick from the Amazon link in the description. It's like a tonsil stone magnet, and it includes 3 interchangeable tips, an extra set of batteries, case, and it's hand inspected in the good old USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. Order yours today.
Hi, my name is Jory, and I'm here to give a testimonial about Rest More. The thing I love most about Rest More is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Rest Mores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Rest More has really helped me since then, because without Rest More, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Rest More, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Rest More.